Kayeng Kashri Supreme Court aku hukum malapan mi hakasi balang kala pendu pendam noi ka hukum khang ti doyong jong ke NGT kabla trai kam nadu usnam arja khat saw ban penku boru ye ka hok long trai halor ka khandoi ki trai pai rilum jong ka jilla hindai ka Kashri kala hukum ba ka jingti doyong ha ka jilla ka de bania ringkat ka mining plan barki kindon jong ka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act Habathere ka sarkar MUA ka baar blailam ka Congress ba kamshim na le ei halor ko hukum jong NGT uba preston ubadeiru menteri sarkar ha ka sarkar MUA 2 ulong ba kane ka sarkar blailam do Dr Mukul Sangma kala shushong klikti ha ki jaka shong ba shukran ba he kham dale ei namar kane south nam ki pai ba ka jala kila mar ki jinge na do ka snam arajar khat saw ha do arajar khat nyo Ulong rubara ka jingshim khia jik sarkar MDA kabrale George ka Kayeng Kashri Supreme Court nadu ubanai jimmang hadu jilliu araja khatphra marsan shimti ka jingsan shar la pins khamenta ba ka hok long trai ka khindo ka shiap barki marpo khando ka de jong upai ba ka jilla lali ki trai jaka jong ka jilla Habaya day but hukum ka bahap siyo ye kashispa klorting ka na ka Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund siya ka Central Pollution Control Board ban penjengam biang ka mariang haki jakati doyong uba preston uloong baka sarkar jilla kamdan kamban siyo kani hindreo an shim na kapisa bla lum na kinong ti par katkum ka MEPRF kabla lang menta omdunay ka South Park klorting ka
The Honorable Apex Court, Supreme Court of India has given an historic judgment, and it is a landmark for the people of Meghalaya. I think all of you know, when we go back to the year 2014, NGT came down so heavily on the issue of coal mining that has happened time immemorial, and they totally banned ultimately. And 2014, 15, 16, 17, 4 years of people suffered a lot. The previous government, which was known as MUA government, they did nothing. They were just sitting idle on the table and they talk big without doing anything. So ultimately the moment NPP-led government, in the name of MDA government, we took up this issue very seriously, and we took up this issue, as I said to you, to the Honorable Supreme Court. It's so historic judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court, where the land has been confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court that the minerals and its surfaces, as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, belongs to the people of the state, belongs to the owner of the state of Meghalaya. Certain statutory laws, like if you talk about the issue of environment, if you talk about the issue of safety, people of the state has to comply these particular issues without fail. That's why the judgment today says that mining of coal will be allowed provided mining plan is prepared and then put up to the state government, and the state government will send back to the government of India, and government of India will vet that mining plan, and after that it will come back and people can start mining of coal.